Did you know that a poorly written email can cost you opportunities, while a great one can open doors you never imagined? Today, we're tackling an essential skill for anyone in the professional world: crafting the perfect professional email. Whether you're applying for jobs, connecting with colleagues, or following up with clients, the way you write your emails can make or break your success. Stick around as we dive into the tips and tricks that will help you send emails like a pro. First things first, why do emails matter so much in the professional world? Let's explore three key reasons. Your email is often the first interaction someone will have with you. It's your chance to make a great first impression. A well written email demonstrates that you are organized, detail oriented, and take your communication seriously. Think of it as your digital handshake. Emails are a vital tool for building and maintaining professional relationships, whether you're reaching out to a colleague for collaboration, checking in with a client, or networking with someone new. Emails help you stay connected and foster trust over time. Unlike meetings or phone calls, emails allow you to convey information quickly and efficiently. With a clear message, you can provide updates, ask questions, or share important documents without taking up too much time. In short, mastering email communication is one of the easiest ways to stand out professionally. Now, let's move on to the structure of a perfect email. A great email has a structure that's both functional and engaging. Let's break it down step by step. Subject line. The subject line is your email's first impression. It should be concise, clear, and give the recipient a reason to open the message. Avoid vague phrases like important update or meeting details. Instead, be specific. Something like Project X deadline update or invitation to Friday's strategy call. Greeting. Start with a professional and personalized greeting. Using the recipient's name as ideal, such as Dear Mr. and Smith or Hi Sarah. Avoid generic salutations like Hey or To whom it may concern, as they can come across as impersonal. Body. The body of your email is where you deliver your message. Keep it concise but comprehensive. Start by briefly introducing yourself or your purpose if necessary. Then, provide the main details in a logical order and wrap up with a clear call to action. Using paragraphs or bullet points can help make your message easier to read. This simple structure ensures your email is professional, respectful of the recipient's time, and effectively communicates your message. Now let's focus on the actual content of your email. Writing with care and precision is key. The tone of your email sets the mood for your interaction. Keep it professional, but don't be afraid to let a bit of warmth or personality show, especially if you're writing to someone you know well. Avoid slang, emojis, or overly casual phrases like what's up, unless it's absolutely appropriate for the context. Never underestimate the power of proofreading. Even a small typo or grammatical error can detract from your credibility. Use tools like Grammarly or read your email out loud to catch mistakes before sending. End your email with a polished signature. Include your full name, job title, and contact information. If applicable, add a link to your portfolio or LinkedIn profile to make it easy for the recipient to learn more about you. Let's take your email to the next level with a few finishing touches. Break up large chunks of text with white space, bullet points, or numbered lists. This not only makes your email more visually appealing, but also easier to skim, a big plus for busy professionals. Consider who you're writing to and adapt your message accordingly. If you're emailing a colleague, you might use a more conversational tone. For a potential employer, stick to formal language. Tailoring your approach shows thoughtfulness and respect. Always close your email on a positive note. Thank the recipient for their time or attention and encourage further communication. For example, I look forward to hearing your thoughts, or please let me know if there's anything else you need from me. Before we wrap up, here are a few advanced tips to keep your email game strong. Aim to reply to emails within 24 hours whenever possible. Prompt responses show reliability and professionalism. For emails you send frequently, like meeting requests or follow ups, create templates to save time and maintain consistency. Just make sure to customize them before sending. Regularly assess your email habits. Are you too verbose? Do you miss details? Make small adjustments to continually improve. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to crafting the perfect professional email. By following these steps, you'll not only communicate more effectively, but also builds stronger professional relationships. Got any email tips of your own? Share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more career boosting tips. Until next time, happy emailing.